Alright, here we are. 2016 Volvo XC90, ladies and gentlemen. Rear door will not open from the inside or the outside. How do you get this thing out? It was a fun trip, I'll tell you what. So as you can see, to do this, I first took the rear panel off like most people, got all the screws loose, couldn't get the panel out. So what I ended up doing, took the rear seat out to try and get more room. Still didn't have enough room to work with it. And what I did, laid myself down right here in the end to get this thing off, and I reached around the back of the door like this with the T30, and I undid the screws for this puppy right here. You got 3 screws, one here, and one here. Then this will be loose, which is normally stuck right here. That's the problem there. But then doing that allowed this door panel enough room to come off. I still had this problem here, which snaps into here. You have to pry the back pins up out of the way and push them out for that to come off. Anywho, I was having difficulty doing that while reaching around from the back like this. So what I actually ended up doing to get the door open is, if you see this section here, you reach, I was able to reach this, and I was fiddling around trying to figure out how I can do it. If you can reach up in there, you can see this piece I'm pushing on right here. Well, I pushed on it like this. I'm guessing it's either part of the child lock or the lock itself, but you feel right here, you can feel it. You get your finger over top of it, push it down like that, and then I grabbed the interior door cable and pulled it, and the door popped open. So whether you get this panel off or not, right here, if you can reach around the back, if you have long enough arms, and then you can reach this section right here, just slide your hand up underneath of it, push down, reach with your other hand, and pull this cable here, and then the door will open. So, and the same as once you get it off this piece here, if you get the whole door panel off like that while it's still closed, that's how you can open it. Again, just reach up under there, that little white piece there kind of hurts your fingers, but this whole job kind of hurts. And push down, unlocks the door, pull the inner cable, and you're home free. So if you get stuck on either of these rear doors, as you can see, all rear seats are split. To get you more room, you can take the rear seat out, take this panel loose, 15 screws, 7mm screws all the way around the side. You don't actually have to take the speaker off. I didn't gain any access doing that, unless you want to go through the speaker hole and try and fit these if you have small enough arms. Otherwise, you can reach around the front here with your arm, just like that, with your T30. Get the bottom one, the middle one, and the top one. And that will allow you enough room to reach either this part here, or like me, reach all the way up to the lock mechanism to get your door open. So, kind of sucks trying to figure this out, but now that you know, this should be relatively easy to open. And then likely the fix is going to be a new door latch assembly. So So there you go. This is how you get your XC90, which I think has a problem before 2016 and after. I've seen people with 2019 saying they have it 2 weeks old. This is how you get your door open. Remove the interior panel on the front of this. Remove all 15 screws, get it loose. Reach around the front here. Take these 3 out, reach around and either disconnect it from here or just reach all the way straight to the lock. Push that white pin down, pull the inner cable, and you're home free. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.